Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to download Jump Force on Android mobile. Okay, first things first, you need to download the JK Cloud Game app. Go to the Google Play Store and search for Cheeky. Install the Cheeky Let's Hang Out app on your Android phone. Once you have installed the app, just tap Open. You'll need to log in then with your email or existing Facebook account. Before proceeding also, you need to install a VPN. So, go back to the Google Play Store and in the search bar, type Tomato VPN. Tap Install to download and install the Tomato VPN app. Open the Tomato VPN app and tap the Go button to connect to the server. Once you are done with the VPN setup, just go back to the Cheeky app. In this app, you can collect gold coins by completing daily tasks or purchase coins. When you are ready to play, just tap the search bar and look for Jump Force. Click then the play button and then select the slow option. And after all of this, you can now enjoy the game. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now download Jump Force on Android mobile. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.